A blissful afternoon, my young learners of mathematics. This afternoon, just like we have been looking at different types of expansion of algebraic expressions, so this afternoon we are going to be looking at expansion of expansion of algebra of this type. Expansion more about expansion of algebra. So what do I mean? The previous ones that we have seen different types. So this afternoon, we are going to look at algebra that looks like this type, that the brackets are by the side, they are together. So when we are asked to expand this kind, so what we are going to do is the very first thing in the first bracket will multiply everything in the second bracket. Everything in the first bracket is going to multiply everything in the first bracket. So we are going to do a concept that revolves around mouth, and nose. So this A will multiply everything here. A multiplied by x, just like we know that alphabet can be multiplied together. A multiplied by x will give us ax. A multiplied by plus b will give us ab. You are done with your mouth now. Then the next thing is to go to your nose. So this b will also multiply everything. That will be bx plus bx. Then this b will also multiply the second b. That's plus b squared. And when you look at the terms, there is nothing that looks alike. AX is different from AB is different from BX, and BX is different from B squared. So this is what our final answer is going to look like. Now, let us look at another example. Let's look at another example. Okay, we are asked to expand d plus e into brackets n minus n. Very simple. The first thing here will multiply everything. D times n, that will give us dm. Then d multiplied by minus n, that will give us minus dn. You have done your mouth, then you go ahead with your nose. E multiplied by em, that will give us em. Then e plus e multiplied by minus n, that will give us minus en. Look again. Are there terms that look alike? dm is different from dn, dn is different from em, and em is different from en. So this is going to be our final answer. Okay, let us look at another example. Sometimes the question